Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to get 1 million followers on Facebook in just 2 minutes. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Facebook app. Here you can see I don't have any followers at the moment. So now all you have to do is go to the any web browser and search for Yay Text. Now, once you're on the Yay Text, tap on its website. Now you can see the text option available there, the box. Now note down the followers you want, type down as much followers you want, and after you write down the followers, simply tap on the bold sans option of the font available there, copy it. You can see the copy option available there. After you tap on the copy and it is copied, then go back to the Facebook account, then tap on the edit profile, then scroll down and tap on the link option available there and tap on the edit. After you tap on the edit, you'll get to see the website or social link option available there. Tap on the add social links, and inside add social link you can tap on any social links you want. Like here I'm tapping on the Spotify for now. Tap on the Spotify, then there you'll have to enter the username. Here type down the followed by, you can see there is a number option available there. Write down the followed by and paste it. Now type down the followed by and paste the number. Now simply tap on the save icon available in the top right corner. Now go to your profile and here you can see it is done.